Only 5 isometric exercises to strengthen your entire body. Do them at home. Have you ever wished you could build real strength without bulky equipment, complicated routines, or leaving the comfort of your home? What if I told you that with just 5 simple exercises, no machines, no weights, you could strengthen every muscle in your body? Stay with me, because in this video, you're about to discover 5 isometric exercises that will transform your strength and stability, all from your living room. This is Official Senior Health, and we're here to make fitness accessible, effective, and easy for you. Welcome to Official Senior Health, your trusted channel for simple yet powerful health and fitness advice tailored especially for seniors and those seeking gentle, effective workouts. Today's focus is on isometric exercises, those magical moves where you contract your muscles without moving the joints. Why is this important? Because isometric exercises allow you to build strength safely, with minimal risk of injury, perfect for all fitness levels. Before we dive in, imagine strengthening your core, legs, arms, and back all in one session, with exercises so easy yet effective, you can do them anywhere, anytime. No need for fancy gym memberships or complicated equipment. Ready? Let's begin. Did you know that isometric training not only increases muscle strength but also improves blood circulation and joint stability? Studies show that even a few minutes of isometric holds can dramatically enhance your muscular endurance and overall balance. That's why athletes and physical therapists alike swear by these exercises. And today, I'll share the best 5 you can start doing right now. First, what exactly are isometric exercises? They are static contractions of a muscle without any visible movement in the angle of the joint. Think about pressing your palms together firmly or holding a wall sit. Your muscles work hard, but your body doesn't move. This means less strain on your joints, making isometric exercises ideal for seniors or anyone recovering from injury. Let's talk about the incredible benefits. Isometric exercises can help improve posture, increase strength, reduce pain from arthritis, and even boost your metabolism. When you hold a muscle in contraction for an extended period, you trigger muscle fibers that might not get activated during traditional dynamic exercises. This targeted activation leads to more effective strengthening in less time. Before we jump in, I want you to ask yourself, how often do you truly challenge your muscles? If your answer is, not enough, or, I don't know, then these 5 exercises are about to become your new best friends. Now, here are the 5 isometric exercises you can do at home, without any equipment, that target your entire body. The first exercise is the wall sit. It looks simple, but don't be fooled. This exercise is a powerhouse for your legs and core. Stand with your back flat against a wall and slowly slide down as if sitting in an invisible chair. Your knees should be bent at about a 90-degree angle, directly over your ankles, never pushing past your toes. Hold this position as long as you can. At first, start with 20 to 30 seconds, then increase the hold time as you build strength. Why does this work? Because your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes are engaged continuously to support your body weight, while your core stabilizes you against the wall. This static hold strengthens your lower body and improves endurance without any impact. Seniors especially benefit from wall sits because they build the muscle needed for daily activities like standing up and climbing stairs. Feel that burning in your thighs during the wall sit? That's your muscles growing stronger. Push through the discomfort. You're literally reshaping your strength with every second you hold. Next up is the plank hold. If you want a strong core that supports your back and improves your posture, this is the exercise for you. Get into a push-up position, but instead of moving up and down, hold yourself steady on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your abdominal muscles and squeeze your glutes to maintain stability. Hold the plank for as long as possible, starting with 15 to 30 seconds. Over time, aim for a full minute or more. The plank is one of the most effective isometric exercises because it works your entire core, deep abs, obliques, lower back, and also challenges your shoulders and chest. A strong core reduces lower back pain and supports every movement you do. Imagine lifting groceries, playing with your grandchildren, or even getting up from a chair without struggling or pain. That's the kind of functional strength these exercises build, strength you actually use every day. The third exercise is the glute bridge hold. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position, squeezing your glutes tightly. This exercise targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles, which are often weak in seniors due to prolonged sitting. Strengthening these muscles improves hip stability and reduces lower back strain. Plus, a strong posterior chain helps prevent falls and enhances balance. Did you know weak glutes can lead to chronic back pain? Strengthening them with the glute bridge hold can ease that pain and help you move with ease again. Fourth is the isometric bicep hold. Stand or sit with your elbows bent at 90 degrees and your palms facing up as if holding weights. Without any movement, contract your biceps as hard as you can and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Relax and repeat. This exercise is fantastic for arm strength, which tends to decline with age. Strong biceps are essential for lifting objects, carrying bags, and even simple tasks like opening jars. This hold trains the muscle to stay strong under tension, improving endurance and power. The fifth and final exercise is the isometric shoulder press hold. Stand with your arms bent at 90 degrees and palms facing forward, as if pressing against an invisible wall in front of you. Push your hands forward, engaging your shoulder muscles, and hold the tension for 20 to 30 seconds. This exercise strengthens the deltoids and upper back muscles, which helps improve posture, reduce shoulder pain, and increase upper body stability. Strong shoulders are crucial for everyday activities such as reaching for objects, carrying groceries, and maintaining balance. By committing just a few minutes a day to these 5 simple isometric exercises, you can build lasting strength, improve your balance, and regain confidence in your movements. No gym required. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Start slow, choose 2 or 3 exercises to do every other day. As you feel stronger, increase your hold times and add the other exercises. Consistency is key. Remember, it's not about rushing or pushing too hard. Focus on good form, breathe steadily, and listen to your body. The beauty of isometric exercises is that they are low impact but highly effective, perfect for all fitness levels. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to maximize your results. Warm up gently before starting with some light walking or stretching. Use a timer or stopwatch to keep track of your hold times. Engage your core during every exercise for added stability. Gradually increase hold times as your strength improves. Stay hydrated and pair your workout with balanced nutrition. Thank you for watching Official Senior Health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly health and fitness tips. Share this video with a friend who could benefit from strengthening exercises at home. Remember, your body is your most valuable asset. Strengthen it, protect it, and enjoy a healthier, more active life. See you in the next video.